Hi, my name is Ivan and I'm working on Blow and Fly. It's a physics-based platformer about the pain and suffering that an aquarium fish has to live through when its home gets destroyed. As I mentioned in the previous video, I prefer to avoid constantly adding new mechanics, new features and other gimmicks to my games. Instead, when I add something new to my games, I let the players truly master that. So at some point I made it possible for my fish to bounce off the walls. And then I took this idea further and made levels in which you actually have to use this mechanic in order to proceed. And generally I keep exploring a certain mechanic until it either gets boring or I think that I saw it all or I have no more ideas where I could use it. And when this happens, I usually add a new mechanic, and the combination of the two allows for a lot of new levels. The first time I consciously used this approach was in Immortus Temporus, and now I also applied it to Blow and Fly. But let's keep this topic for the future videos. For now I just kept experimenting with the game. For instance, I wanted to see how my game would look like with the outlines. Back then I didn't like them at all, but now they have somehow reappeared in the game. Also, after dying so much during playtesting, I was just irritated at looking at the camera snapping back to the spawn point. So I made it move into the position smoothly. And since I was there, I decided to also make separate cameras for secret areas. And actually, this is the only place where I used them. Finally, I wanted to add something else for the player to jump from. The walls in this game can only be either rectangles or slopes. I wanted to spice it up and add a rotating platform. These things were frustrating. For some reason, I decided to make them even worse by adding spikes to them. At this point, I hated them so much that I just deleted them from the game. And that's it for today. If you'd like to support this channel and also see your name in my future games and videos, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Thank you for watching this video, happy Halloween to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Farewell.